Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Picking up right after I finished up the intake manifold. Got a lot of it done, and I think it's time to put the motor back into the car now, finally. I'm going to flip the camera around and I'll show you guys what I've done so far. So, the intake manifold was all put on. I've got all the wire harness put on as best as I could, I guess. So now I'm going to tie it up to the cherry picker and get it ready to go back in here. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right guys, so I've got it all positioned in the right spot. Now I am gonna try to put this in. So here goes nothing. I'll probably just time lapse this so you guys don't have to see me struggle and put this motor in. Alright guys, I know that the phone kind of stopped recording. It's hot out here, and I had my phone on the tripod in the sun, so it overheated. But it's cooled down now. I didn't realize until the motor was finally into the car. It didn't take me, took me about an hour or so to get it in there. But yeah, it's in there. Nice and solid. It's not going nowhere. It wasn't easy, but I got it in there. Fucking hot as hell out here. There you have it. The motor's back in, making some progress. So next thing to do is pretty much plug the motor to the car. Get the headers in, the radiator in, all the little stuff. I'm hoping that in the next couple weeks this thing is running again. I do gotta put axles on it still. So really, literally the motor is just sitting in there right now. But damn, it looks pretty damn sick. Ooh, that's not as bright. All right, guys. Well, it's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this, what you guys are seeing with the C85 and the h22 build, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.